Welcome everybody to another episode of Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. Today we are going to go over the market price. So I am filming this January 22nd of 2023, and you're probably watching this on January 23rd, so the next morning. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick market update. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's going to help us out to produce more episodes like this. So if we take a look at the market, we have got a lot going on. We are at a $1.4 trillion market cap. And let me tell you, it's about time. It's about time we're there. So we'll do another quick refresh just to make sure everything's all good. So we have BTC at $22,700 US, which is pretty cool. So we've been waiting, at least me personally, a few years now to begin to feel a little bit of that bull run. So for those of you that have been into the crypto space for the last, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, we've had a very bearish downside for, since 2022, really. So last year we got hit with, probably one of the worst crypto bear markets we've seen in a long time. But hopefully you were buying the dips, DCAing. If you want to, definitely check out. I have tons of videos here on the channel. So go to videos. I just did a video that's called DCA. So how to dollar cost average. Basically what I'm doing in that video is I'm helping you, get started or learn how to buy every single month, every day. I show you how to set up your calendar. So definitely check out that video. I'm sharing it with you because this is something that I wish I had learned a long time ago. So what we're going to do is we are going to focus our attention a little bit on Cardano, because right now Cardano is up 4% on the week, which is pretty good. But what I want to do is see where we're going with the price. So if we look at the 7-day, the weekly, we were at about 35 cents. Now we're at about 37, 38 cents. But if we zoom out, okay, always when in doubt, you zoom out. When in doubt, got to zoom out in the crypto. And also, comment down below if you love the suit. All right, I'm trying to impress you all. I got the haircut. Okay, I'm building an online course. I'm dieting just so I can look good on YouTube. Okay, that's not all the reasons, but it's part of it. But definitely comment down below. If you love the suit, comment down below. Maybe there's a suit color you want to see Crypto Moose in. That's cool as well. By the way, thank you all for watching. So if we go to the 1 year on Cardano, we are down. We're down bad. I was buying here. I messed up. So if we go to the year of date though, all right, so since 2023, if you were buying in January, at the beginning of January 1st, you have not doubled your money, that's ridiculous, but you have made some good gains, right? I wonder if there's a percentage marker for that. But anyways, you've gone, what is that, 20, 30%? So that's pretty good, right? And that's the idea of dollar cost averaging. So whenever you hit a low, so if you zoom all the way out, so if we zoom in on the charts here, as you can see here, whenever we're in this consolidating period, meaning when the price gets at a low point, we start to trade sideways, that's a great time to enter. So if you have conviction in cryptocurrencies, if Cardano is a project that you like, you don't have to like Cardano. It's an all-purpose blockchain that I like. But for example, if you are into Hex, if you are a Richard Hart fan, if you believe in his blockchain and what they're developing, you want to get in when you feel like you're at a bottom. Okay, you're not going to time it perfectly. You have to be aware in crypto. And I'm not telling you to buy any crypto, but right now I feel is a solid time to be accumulating every week, every month if you can. So that's what I'm doing. Comment down below if you think I'm crazy. I already know I'm a little crazy, obviously, but anyways, that's what we got going on there. If we take a look here as well, we've got USDC trading at $1, of course. Definitely, probably my favorite stable coin until USDA. Polygon, one of my other favorites, Polygon Matic, layer 2 solution for Ethereum. So what they're doing is they're going to help companies like Meta and all their other partnerships. They're going to help them get into the metaverse game. So Polygon is making they're a side chain to Ethereum. So they're going to help out with transaction costs. They're going to help out with throughput. So they're going to allow for more transactions to happen, right? So this is going to be very interesting, right? Ethereum, when you think about it, they are an all-purpose blockchain. Okay, they have the level of security, they have the decentralization, but that comes at a cost, right? Because the more freedom you have, in a sense, the more risky it becomes. So Ethereum, you want it to be strong. You want it to have no bugs. You want it to be smooth, but it's going to be slow as a result. So that's where Matic comes in, and they build on top of Ethereum, so to speak. And then that allows for, kind of like a speedboat to work alongside, the Titanic, right? So if the Titanic goes, anyways, I'm just drifting off all over. But the point is, Matic is going to help transaction costs and speed for Ethereum's blockchain. So definitely really cool. I'm planning on doing a video on a few coins. I'm wondering if I see any here. I was looking for Optimism. I like that project. I'm researching that heavily. It takes time. I just don't want to put out a bunch of crap or any crap at all. Meaning I'm not just going to talk about something and pretend like I know what I'm talking about. I just know what I am investing in. So let's check out on our portfolio as well. So we've done a couple of videos. Specifically, we did the $1,000 and $10,000 budget videos. Let's see where those are at. So if we go to portfolio, and if we go to our 2023 10K portfolio, we are up $900. Look at that. At least that's what it looks like so far. So we're up $216 in the past 24 hours. So we're doing good. We're doing good. All right, so that's the 10K portfolio. So if we go to our, I think this is our $1,000 portfolio. So we're up $100 on that. So that's really nice. Really nice to see. All right, so definitely that's all I wanted to do. I just want to give a quick market update. And for all of you who've been watching, thank you so much. Please comment down below what else you would like for us to cover here on the channel. I'm going to be putting out a lot more educational content, things I haven't talked about. So comment down below what else you would like to see me cover. Specifically, I'm going to be doing more videos on Cardano, how to research projects, and hopefully we'll get into those in the next coming weeks. So that's all I have for you. Pick up a hardware wallet, because if it's not your keys, it's not your cheese.